Good evening. Welcome to BW Business World. Today we are at 5th HR Excellence Awards 2020. And we have with us Kavita Dasan, who is Head of People Practices, ABP News.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so
And I must ask you that what has been your experience? How was your experience today at BW Business World?
Well, I think it was lovely. We HR guys are so used to giving awards to others, recognizing people, doing everything for the organization. It's always nice to be on the other side. So receiving award or giving award or being acknowledged, that's wonderful. And I must thank BW for this. Anurag is a great guy, and it's a superb thing that they are having such a lovely jury to do it, making it so credible.
And you from an HR background and as an expert, HR expert, I would love to ask you that is AI a thing with lots of positivity in it? Because people are scared in the industry to get accepted, get into AI, into the system, and it is tougher for them to accept AI just simply like traditional setting. So, I mean, is this a thing we can accept with so much of positivity? Can we?
I think we should. Way back, if we remember times when typewriters were there and computerization happened, people were scared. Half of them said jobs won't be there. But we are of the generation where we've seen the transition. And it has only improved. Today, the quality of work, today, the ease of work has only gone up. And that's exactly what AI will do. Guys, system cannot take over people. It only pushes you to upgrade and be better. I remember the times when computerization happened, digitalization was there. There was a time when we used to have vacancies like data entry operator, computer operator. Today when we think about it, people laugh. Really? Do you have jobs like that? No more. And that's what AI will do. That will push us to go to the level of more professionalism, get and evade all these jobs which are very manual in nature or can be, outsourced. So AI will definitely take over that.
And as you are engaged directly with people, right? So what would you say, how this is going to impact people directly?
So yes, we are in the business of people and dealing with people day in, day out. My sense is it will need a lot of upskilling. The way education system is, the way people are working in the organization, it will push all of us to stay relevant. We need to upgrade. While this is more heard commonly, I don't know how many of us really practice. They say in a professional life, to be relevant, you need to study minimum 40 hours a week. 40 chodo 20. I'm saying even 1 hour a week is people doing. I doubt it. See, the level of self-development doesn't happen. We believe we've reached a level we don't have to do anything beyond that.
So the emergence of AI and all technological advancements is demanding the learning.
Yes, the disruption is towards upgrading, upskilling, and staying relevant. So that's the battle.
Just a very simple but crucial question: that is AI going to make any normal organization a happy organization?
Of course, if used well, it will not only make it happy, it will also make it productive and performing. So it's all about how you use it. You can have a Mercedes, drive it the right way, or use it like a Fiat, just leave it there,
Right.
So it's on us how we use it, but technology will definitely cause disruption. If used wisely, will enhance performance and productivity, pushing profitability, which is what everybody wants.
So good to hear your insights. So good to hear your insight.
Thank you so much
for your valuable comments.
Thank you.